Hey there, ready to supercharge your career in hybrid electric vehicles? Look no further than SkySkill Academy's groundbreaking post-graduation program in hybrid electric vehicle. In just 10 months, you will turbocharge your career with a prestigious certificate from E&ICT, IIT Guwahati and ASTC. But wait, there's more. You will also walk away with course completion and internship certificates from SkySkill Academy, which is equivalent to a valuable experience letter. Our program dives deep into essential topics like MATLAB, CATIA, hybrid engine, ANSYS electronics, and much more. All taught by seasoned industry experts with personalized mentorship. But here's the kicker. We guarantee 100% placement, offering hands-on experience with live projects and over 30 industry-relevant skills to boost your profile and ensure a shining future in the automobile industry. Seize this opportunity now. Enroll for our upcoming batch and rev up your career. For further information, head over to www.skyskill.com or simply click on the link in the description. See you on the other side.